Baby beard. Yep. Hello, welcome everyone to my vlog. Right now I'm going on a bus with my two brothers and we are going to be going to a hotel to stay for tonight. Tomorrow we are going to be going to Sweden. I'm going to go get everything packed and then we're going to leave. See you then. We are at the bus stop right now. Oh look, candy. Some people know how you have to have personal space in Finland. This is a really good example. Those two guys are friends and yeah, that's what it looks like when you're friends in Finland. It's kind of awkward, like right now. You excited?
Yes.
How about you?
Yep.
You look very excited.
Very.
Here we go. Well, for our drive will begin.
It's 3.5 hours.
Seatbelt should be fastened whenever seated.
We are here in Helsinki. It's pretty cold, D'Artagnan, isn't it?
Yes.
We got a 4-kilometer walk. Do you want to do something stupid on the way?
Oh Lord have mercy.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. We got to the hotel place. So we got to the hotel place. We're gonna go make some astronaut food because it's made in this. Nice one, Leonardo. We're gonna add some water to the potato stuff. Okay, so how do you know it's ready?
When it's ready.
So this vlog is going to be a little bit different to my other ones, which I guess is fine. But tomorrow the real stuff is going to start, so I'm going to say good night. No one likes it when I hit the camera, so I'm going to go like this. And it's now the morning. We have a 5-kilometer walk right now. It's so cold. Wow. Wow. Is it? It's shut.
Yeah.
It's shut. Why is it shut?
I don't know.
We got in now, we have to wait. How long we have to wait? Don't tell. We should do something really fun. Do you want to tell them your good joke you just did?
No.
Say it.
No. Guess what? This popcorn's really salty. Do you get it? Salty.
We are waiting with our whole family in line.
Happy birthday to you. Did you hear my voice?
And we got the cocaine through. No one's tackling me. Is that just the KKK? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's a race. Go, press 11. Quickly, press 11. So much editing to do. We beat them. We beat them easy. You guys suck.
Thanks. Did you check what number we have?
No, I'm beating you. And we're in our room. Yeah. So in this room we've got a drawing, a TV. Let me turn it off. We've got this. It starts beeping. We've got nice lights. We've got a bed. You're not allowed to sit on the bed. You're not allowed to sleep on the bed. Yeah, you have to sleep on the ground because you're dirt. Okay? No. Yeah. You want a piece of meat? Yeah. Want a piece of meat?
No.
You want a piece of meat? You want a piece of meat? Oh. We have ladders. Do you know how to film? No, you don't. Are you laughing, mate? You have to be emotionless when you're filming. Stop laughing! Want a piece of meat? Hey, mate, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
I do. I have a girlfriend. You're not allowed one. Hey, wait. Okay, bring it on. Bring it down.
Whoa.
Can we do a social experiment? Can we do a social experiment? If you stand right here, we pull this back up. Stand up there. Stand up. Stand up.
No, you're gonna.
No. Social experiments. It's not real. This is all fake. Then we see what you will do when I pull this down. No. This guy's just... Are you drunk, Shakespeare?
No, I'm just tired.
That's understandable. That's understandable. I think we should go eat. Yeah, goodbye. Oh yeah, and our cards. We need the cards. In my hand, I hold 12 cards. This is the only way you get into your room. If I lose these, I'll burn them with fire.
They are plastic.
You want to see me burn plastic? Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is Taina, Omega, Aphrodite, Nefertiti. What is this? What? You get €2 worth of stuff. King James, Shakespeare, Leonardo, €2. Money. Romeo, Tanya. Where's mine? Oh, there it is. We're gonna go eat now. And I don't know what I'm doing. Just leave me. Goodbye. Why are you still filming? So we are going to be eating, but we can't film in there, so yeah. Come on, we gotta go, come on. You want to press the button? Let's press the button. No! Press that one. Yes! Look who's there. We're going to the children's show. Oh, you have a bow tie, did you notice?
Go.
Yes, we're waiting for them. We're waiting. Yes, we're waiting. Mate. Hyi, että älä koske. Hyi. If anyone ever asks what I want, I'm saving up for this. It's only about 800. So we just picked up the whole entire family, and it's Cleopatra's birthday. She's got that cool little thing there. I don't know if I got it. This is for the children. We're going to a children's show. Are you excited, Shakespeare?
I wanted to go out of here. If I want to go out of here, I can go and eat my food.
You got food in your room. Is it fun here?
Yeah.
But do you want to leave it to your room?
Yeah.
They're pretty after my arm. They look like me.
They are your children, right? The little girl wanted to take a picture with her. How'd that feel?
It's cute.
As your first fan.
I saved the picture. She didn't want to take it with her phone, she wanted to take it with my phone.
Onko Kleopatra täällä? Tuu tänne lavalle. 18V. Hei Kleopatra, vähän suklaata sulle. Noi, vähän hali mulle. Onneksi olkoon. Ja nyt Pukkinen laulaa sulle. Ihmiset, nauttikaa nyt. Tää on kaunista. Mitä sä nauroit siellä? Onnea Kleopatra! Paljon onnea! Grattis!
Yeah, I have a baby beard. Yep. My eyes are turning really red for some reason. I'm feeling kind of weird. This boat likes to like move so much and it's making me seasick and...
I feel dizzy. Why do I feel dizzy?
That's a good meme. Hey Leonardo Paulos. Tonight I'm going to go to sleep. I'm very insecure about my body, so don't look at me when I reach up for this light. Look how bright this is. Someone's interrupting our vlogging. Time to get away.
Could you go away, please?
Oh my gosh!
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't